Got no L plates on it.
They're in my bag.
No. Why?
You don't say it anyway, I've passed loads of coppers.
Have you?
Yeah,
I don't risk it, fuck that.
that's all good.
Even though I don't have no number plate on, I just fucking lose it. So I have it in my bag. I used to wear a bag, so if they did pull me over,
Yeah.
I'll fucking show it them.
Yeah, what have you got? Oh, I got the same camera as you, bro. Mine's
I've got 4.
Action 5, innit?
Yeah, yours is better.
You ain't got an SD card for it yet.
You don't have to put an SD in it?
No, you don't. You don't need an SD card, but you do not get as much recording time in. That's
Right.
the problem.
I'm about to say, mine's about 5 hours, 6 hours on
Yeah,
this.
mine's only an hour.
Is it?
Yeah, so. But yeah, I need an SD card, innit?
Yeah. We'll go for a little ride round and we'll chill for a bit.
Yeah,
And we'll see what
I just need to mix this in a sec.
That's alright, bro. Then we'll sort something out. We'll go down Ulno. What year is it?
2018.
Is it?
Yeah.
Looks clean as fuck compared to mine, mate.
Nah, they all sound the same. Your one sounds crispy, yours. Oh, you got...
Sure, I got a short exhaust on, mate.
Yeah.
I think this is factory actually.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a 90s bike. Heavy as fuck though.
What, your bike?
Yeah, heavy as fuck, mate.
Mine's a bit heavy. Mine's about 92 kg.
Mine's roughly around there.
Recording now?
Huh?
Are you recording now? I'm not recording yet, I'll film my video.
I just fucking record as soon as I set off and do all that bullshit.